Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. Super tagal na ever since last ako nag-upload. I still have many video recordings left to upload, but hindi ko pa kasi na-edit yung iba doon and hindi ko pa napapagsama-sama. Pero right now, I'm going to update you guys first on how my life is right now. So, I'm currently on a vacation kasi tapos na yung junior high school life ko. So, I'm now going to senior high school. Abang nyo lahat ng senior high school vlogs ko, guys. Pero yung school na papasukan ko is sa July 20 pa naman yung pasukan nila. That's why I'm enjoying all of my free time right now. I got back to my hobbies, interests, such as watching K-dramas, watching movies, binge watching, diba? And also playing online games. That's why right now, naglalaro ako ng Bloxburg. I'm going to show you guys. I've been playing this game for almost 5 years now. I started playing Bloxburg since 2021 and it has been my go-to game na talaga sa Roblox whenever wait, it's lagging. It's my go-to game whenever I don't have anything to play or I'm not in the mood to play other games. Pati OB, yung mga OB sa Bloxburg, whenever I just want to chill and play Roblox, nagka-OB ako, but ito talagang ko siya, go-to game. I'm actually not done yet with building this house. Tingnan niyo yung pool, wala pang kalaman-laman yan. Like, very dull. Pero ito ngayon yung gagawin ko, guys. So, this is the study room, and then I have this gym, like, small gym sa house. And this all the baby stuffs. For roleplay purposes lang naman yan, guys. And then bedrooms, and kitchen, and living room, and everything. So, ito na talaga yung gagawin ko ngayon. By the way guys, this vlog will be a day in my life, vacation edition, since in my past vlogs, kung mapapansin nyo, either mag-get ready with me ako to go out or there's an event at school. That's my a day in my life, normally. And that's what I normally upload. Pero this time, a day in my life, nasa bahay lang talaga ako. So, you guys will see me edit some of my past recordings na I didn't get to upload. And other things na ginagawa ko sa bahay, which is I enjoy, which is baka nga hindi ito masyado maging fun, but stay tuned guys. Here's the finished product, guys. So here's the study table for the kid and what do you call this? A book tray? No, not a book tray. Wait. Okay, so I figured it out. This is called a book stroller and then a monstera plant. And then here's the study table for the adult. Yeah, my laptop and then sticky notes, calendar, files, and then some of the books. And then a printer, guys. And then trash can. And then, ayun lang. This is my favorite part. There you go. Hey guys, I just finished taking a shower and I already did my skincare with Pantyl Therapy. And as of now, it's 6:25 p.m. and I'm currently writing my book. Nasa chapter 10 na ako. So, this book is a thriller. Its genre is thriller with a bit of romance. So it's a story about group of students na pumasok sa isang university and they didn't know that university doesn't allow their students to get off that place. Like once you enter, there's no going back type of story like a hell university. Pero this book naman it's literally different from that. Basta malalaman nyo na lang kapag actually I'm not going to disclose it here, but basta sana sumikat tong book na to. I haven't even published any stories yet. Like this is my first ever book na ipapublish ko. Sana ma-publish ko siya, sana matapos ko siya. Is I'm currently on 14k words na and chapter 10 pa lang ako. Guys, super tagal ko nang sinusulat tong book na to. Like, siguro pa lang, first few months pa lang ng 2026 sinusulat ko na. Pero hindi ko pa siya tatapos and it's already June. Grabe, sobrang ilang months. Kasi hindi ko napapagsabay yung studies ko and yung pagiging writer ko, ganun. I'm currently editing my grad pictorial vlog. Hey guys, kakatapos ko lang kumain ng dinner. Chicken yung ulam. Right now, I'm going to brush my teeth, wash my face, and do my skincare for the night. Hey guys, I'm done washing my face. Naglalagay pa ako ng ice at night and even in the morning. Pero hindi ko na siya ginagawa ngayon sa gabi kasi baka may side effect siya na hindi maganda. Tsaka ang lamig na rin kasi ngayon guys. Kaya hindi ko na rin siya nilalagay sa gabi, sa umaga na lang. Tadi hindi ko na simulan tong vlog ng umaga. As in, biglaan siya. Nasabi ko, parang gusto ko mag-a-day in my life. So guys, naglalagay ako ng moisturizer. It's the Jeju Aloe Ice. Same pa rin ang ginagamit ko always, yung pinapakita ko. Different size na siya. Kasi ubos na yung ginagamit ko dati guys. Alam niyo lahat ng video ko 2 months ago pa yon, and sa liit nung lalagyan nun, syempre naubos na siya. Ito na ngayon yung lagayan ko. 300 ml ata to, or 200. Ay, 300 ml from Fresh Skin Lab. Since sanay na ako maglagay ng sunscreen araw-araw. Di naman biggest fear, pero like fear ko na gumamit ng sunscreen pati sa gabi. Baka maging automatic na siya sa akin, nakukunin ko yung sunscreen ko. Kapag naglalagay ako ng moisturizer sa gabi guys, nag-guasha na rin ako. Itong guasha ko, hindi ko na siya napapalamigan, and dapat palamigan ko siya. Pero ang ginagawa ko lang is ganyan. Para ma-lift yung face natin and maging toned siya. I do this exercise 10 reps each side. 10 reps! And another one is yung dito naman na side, pa-up siya. Tapos ito ulit na side, pa-up dito. Ganyan. Tapos yung iba is dito na sa forehead. Para mag-regulate yung blood flow. Hagan ko na. And then for my last step guys, gumagamit ako ng Panthenol Therapy from Lux Organics. It's their 24-hour lip serum tinted lip essence. Ginagamit ko talaga siya every night. Kasi guys, every time na ginagamit ko siya at night, talagang pagising ko, hindi dry yung lips ko and hindi ako mukhang patay na nagising, di ba? So, pag ginamit mo siya at night and then kapag gising mo, parang pinkish yung lips mo. So, it gives that healthy glow for your lips talaga. Kasi guys, as a girl, yung ako talaga na chapped lips ako. Kasi parang, every time nagagamit ako ng mga lippies, gano'n, nagda-dry talaga yung lips ko. I don't know kung ano pa meron sa mga lippy na ginagamit ko. Pero, nag-chop talaga siya, nagda-dry siya. So, ganyan lang siya. Ano lang siya guys, chill effect. Thank you guys for watching this vlog. And I hope you had fun, even though I'm still on the same spot simula kanina nag-intro ako. Pero ayun, I'm going to see you guys on my next vlogs to be uploaded. Bye guys!